Yeah, so we back out here again, man. No crank, no start, man. All right, try to start the car. All right, just doing little tutorials, man. Car's not starting. First thing you're gonna want to do, you can turn it off. You're gonna want to come here and verify that that your starter relay is working. Um, I've already tried to jump the pins. It still actually wouldn't start. And when he turns the key, he's getting the signal from the I want to say it's pin 86 or something. Okay, so yeah, like I said, we verified that it's not the starter solenoid. I tried jumping the pins on here. I don't even know if I'm jumping this one correctly, to be completely honest with you. So the last mechanic, he said he came here and he replaced the starter. He's got a brand new starter in there. You don't want to do stupid stuff like that. That stuff is retarded, man. You don't just change parts. So this is really what you want to do to try to verify if it is the starter. Let me let this car go by. So what I do is, if you can access the car, the starter, what you want to do is you want to come here, and this is the signal wire that connects it to the starter. And what we're gonna do is, I got a test light. So I got a test light on it. And I'm gonna have him turn the key to see if he's even getting 12 volts to the starter. All right, go try to start it. You trying to start it? Okay, turn it back. Or turn it forward. Okay. So he's turning the key forward. This is not lighting up. Therefore, he's not getting 12 volts through that wire. So I want to see maybe if it's a theft system issue. So now here comes the cool trick. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show you guys something else. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say skip it. I'm gonna take this jumper wire and put it right on the starter. So I'm gonna clip it to the starter where that thing goes. So I pretty much got this jumper wire clipped on starter in there. I don't even know if you can see it in the video. To the pin. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send 12 volts directly to the starter. We're gonna clip this. Like I said, you don't need a power probe, man. You can make your own power probe. This is your power probe. We got 12 volts. We're gonna verify that we got 12 volts coming out of the jumper wire. We're gonna come here, touch it. Boom. It's lighting up. 12 volts. So now what we gonna do is take my jumper wire. Look. So that lets you know that the starter ain't even bad. So you don't want to be just changing parts. That stuff is stupid, man. So now what we gonna do, we want to verify if it's a theft system. All right, go ahead and turn and just hold the key forward. So he's got the key turned forward, which the key should recognize that, if that key is good, it should start the car. So boom, we're gonna do the same thing. Look. Car's running, man. Car's on, man. Come on, man. Y'all gonna put some respect on my name, bro. All right, go ahead and shut it off. So pretty much, we still got a chase to do. The game ain't over with. You know what I'm saying? You still gonna keep chasing this problem because now we got to figure out why he's not getting 12 volts down there. So the next step is, you know what I'm saying? If you were stuck somewhere, that would get you up out of here. You know what I'm saying? If you know a guy like me, I'm gonna get you up out of here. You'll be able to drive the car. But we want to fix the car because he wants to be able to start it with the key. So the next step is since the car actually started, he held the key for it. So we know that his key is good. We know that, so we know it's not a theft issue. So now we got to figure out why when he turns the key, it's not happening. I'm gonna check. The next thing you want to check is the ignition switch. If the ignition switch is not bad, it's not even gonna send the 12 volt down there. I'm gonna check the ignition switch. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Okay, yeah, just jump in right quick. So we back at it again. I'm gonna teach you guys something else, man. How do you verify that the ignition switch is actually working? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna stick this pin or jumper wire back in there. We need to verify when he turns his key that he's getting 12 volts there. If he gets 12 volts on that pin 86, we know that the ignition switch is working. Teaching you guys, bro. Y'all gonna call me a hack, but okay, turn the key forward. You see that lighting up? Turn it back. Turn it forward. Okay, so like I said, that's lighting up. See now, see now, we know the ignition switch working. So don't do nothing stupid and go change the ignition switches and keep costing this guy this money. You don't want to keep doing dirty stuff like that. So okay, so this is what we want to do too. So we verified that we verified when he turns this key, the ignition switch. We're not changing that part. You don't do that. That's dirty. That's not cool. So boom, we back at it again. Gotta get your 12 volt test. This just tells it all, man. You must diagnose the job. You must not throw parts at it, man. You must diagnose it, bro. So let's get my jumper wire here. You know, they gonna keep talking trash about me, but I'm telling you, bro, I'm the best out here. Ain't nobody better than me. So boom, I'm on the wire. I'm gonna clip this on here. I know the video kind of getting nasty for y'all, but hey, bro, just watch and learn. So I got it touched on behind the wire. I try to turn it back. I try to start it. See that lighting up? Turn it back. Turn the key back. I try to start it. Okay, boom. Okay. So we know that he's getting 12 volts down to the starter. So, like I said, I already know this was busted. You know what I'm saying? He's got to get a new plug. We're going to go to the junkyard. I'm going to splice someone in. We're going to have to come back. But that's pretty much how you diagnose, you know what I'm saying, a no crank, no start, man. You don't, when you do this, man, you don't come in, you just change parts. You must go step by step in each step. And you must figure out the problems. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to come in here and do that. You know what I'm saying? Because that's just not cool. How much did you spend with this other guy coming and changing the starter?
I placed the battery and the starter, and it cost me over $300 just that.
Come on, man. They're getting.
And I spent 120.
Yeah, just sum that up. That's how you diagnose a job, man. You know what I'm saying? When you're doing a no crank, no start, you don't come in here, you don't change parts, you go step by step. Like I said, man, like I'm the best out here as far as in this area. If you need your car fixed or something, and you need to call me because I know what I'm doing. And I know how cars work because I put years behind into this. You know what I'm saying? I just wasn't filming my stuff. I've been doing these tricks. I've been out here, you know what I'm saying, getting people going and helping a lot of people out. I'm just documenting my stuff. So get down with the program because I'm going to be showing a lot more in-depth videos on how to diagnose cars electronically because this is really what I specialize in. I'm an electronic specialist, you know what I'm saying? So keeping more, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to turn into a race thing, but I'm the only black guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm the only black guy out here doing this, you know what I'm saying? I'm out here helping people. You see where I'm at? So get down with the program, bro. Let's keep it going, man. We out here helping people out, bro. Come on, man. Get with it. Okay, yeah, we back, bro. You know, like I said, you know I had to do some kind of hack, bro. You know what I'm saying? This channel wouldn't be what it is. You know what I'm saying? Spliced in. Got a new piece. Plug it in. We're going to see what happens. So, boom, we got the key from the customers. See what happens. Y'all keep calling me a hack, man. Come on. Of course the car gonna start, bro. It's gonna start because I know what I'm doing. So tune into the channel, bro. I'm gone.